to go.
The lightning lane fast.
Okay. You're singing like you're big stuff. How was it?
Good.
We just did what? Yeah, but what's that?
Right.
Yeah, but Snow White?
What are we doing next?
Yeah, but what did we just do?
We did Snow White and some of those. Yeah. And where are we going next?
What's up, Moo Moo? Mason!
That's what this story's all about.
So, how was The Little Mermaid?
As always.
Not the best? You're getting older, that's why, huh?
I like fast rides.
Yeah, we all do, but
But it was nice. It was relaxed. And we was walking. So, even better.
The Haunted Mansion. I am your host.
Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat. Call in the spirits wherever they're at.
what did we just do and how was it?
Haunted Mansion, and it was very good. And yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. It changed a lot.
Scary? Is it really scary?
Papa?
Jay, you're Mr. Halloween. What do you think of the Haunted Mansion?
I think Disney's really good at making scary stuff.
Which-
Scary ride.
Moi, j'avais peur. Avant, elle a pas regardé de la ride.
You had your eyes closed again?
Ah, c'est pas...
There's a crab trying to eat the skeleton.
It's here! Can you smell it?
Smell it, Daddy, smell it.
Oh, I just got wet. So, is it the same as always for you? Just still your favorite?
Yeah, still my favorite.
You?
It's good, but it's not my favorite. Don't say that! And we're gonna turn so we go fast. We're gonna start. Let's get it started now. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Can't get too late.
Legs inside, and be sure to watch your kids. Or as Jeannie likes to say,
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado.
Tu vas tenir ton sel fort.
Ouais.
Oh my god.
It's a cup for my face.
Never ever lose what
Je filme. Je vais filmer.
I'll hold your phone tight then.
right now. C'est là qu'il y a une cloche.
Non. Non? Mais non.
What Kim, y'all? This comical band she found can play. Hallelujah!
I'm good.
Wow. Great, I can taste the bayou.
Yeah, me too.
I got the best start.
And they all lived happily ever after. Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue it, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold.
My favorite castle.
Watch the
Oh
unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow. Setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take brings a new hope. New day. Every choice we make helps us to
The ones on the side, like I
put into motion.